Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can save any module as a global and then you can reuse that module in Divi WordPress website. So let's log in into our website, and after that let's go to dashboard. Now in the pages, let's view any page, and after that click enable fuel builder. Now here you can see I have added 3 basic modules. Now if you want to add any module in the global, here you can see these are some options: settings, duplicate, and the 4th option is save module to library. And you can add module name, for example text1. After that, now scroll down, here you can see save as global, then click here save to library. Okay, now here you can see module color is changed from gray to yellow. So now if you want to add this module, just you can add a new section, and after that let's add a new row. Now here you can see add from library. So there is a module that we recently saved as a global. Click here, use this module. In this way you can save any of the row, any of the section, or entire page template in Divi website. Then click here 3 dots. Now you can click here save button. So make sure that when you have done any of the designing or edit any of the module, then don't forget to save your design.